guys, thank you for watching. Sally again, and welcome to my cooking video here in my channel. In today's video, we're gonna make my own version of pilaf. Usually, we are using shrimp for our pilaf, but today's video, we're gonna use mixed seafoods. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. Before we start, we have to make our rice. While waiting, here are some of the ingredients that we need. For the seafoods, we use shrimp, clamshell, and squid. We also need butter, corn, mayonnaise, onion, carrots, and piman. And don't forget the salt and pepper. Slice the onion, carrots, and piman into small pieces. Be careful not to cut your hands. We are now ready to cook. So, let's check the rice. We need 1 big bowl of rice. Set the fire into a medium heat. We can now put our butter and spread all over the fry pan. Put the onion and stir. Next, your carrots and piman. Stir it again. In this way, the flavor will get inside into the seafoods. So let's put the seafoods and stir. We can now put our corn. You can also use green peas. Let it boil for a few minutes. At this time, we can now put our salt and pepper. Mix it together to make all the ingredients incorporated. Here we can now put our rice. Mix, mix, mix. Next, we can now put our mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is just optional. You can also erase this in your ingredients. But guys, Japan's mayonnaise is made up of eggs, so it adds more flavor. So this is it, guys. We're done with our seafoods pilaf. My super duper special pilaf ever. Thank you for watching, everyone. If If you love my videos, just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for new videos. また今度のビデオでよろしくお願いします。じゃあね。